Bianca from Planning with Love. Today I'm doing the most amazing unboxing video I will ever do. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I won the incredible giveaway from Miss Moss on Instagram. She makes stickers, die cuts, all of the cutest items that you could want in the planner community, and she collaborated with Imperfectly Perfekt, who makes leather TN notebooks. I won this prize about a week ago, and it was fast shipping. I mean, she was amazing. I cannot wait to get inside. All right, let's get started. Dun, dun, dun. How cute is this? Oh my gosh, this bag alone is adorable. And Perfectly Perfekt elbow grease and gratitude. I haven't opened this yet, so we're opening it together for the first time. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, it's so cute. Look at this. Okay, this illustration is from Miss Moss. She does her own illustrations with her stickers and die cuts. And this collaboration is beautiful. Oh, she even added a cute little bow. This is so cute. And it's a 6-string. This is a B6 size traveler's notebook with her colorful Aphrodite. This is gorgeous. Wow. And it's all shimmery. Oh, so pretty. This is beautiful. So beautiful. Inside. Oh, there's pockets. Oh, she did a little, this is so cute. Okay, this is Imperfectly Perfekt's information. This is her business card. And then a little thank you for supporting my small business. She is amazing. Slide this in here. Oh, and a cute note from Katie at Miss Moss. Hey girl, congrats on winning this beautiful notebook. I hope you have fun setting it up. Happy planning. Oh, this is such a cute sticky note. Oh, and she included little extras. Look at the extras. Oh, look at the die cut. Let's open it up. So stinking cute. Unbelievable. Oh, this die cut is adorable. Oh, yes. When she did these stickers, and oh, so cute. Cute little, oh, they're so cute. I love Miss Moss's stickers and her die cuts because she thinks of us girls with our hips and our big boobs. It's just, I love it. I love it so much. Oh, look at the extra stickers she provided. Oh my gosh, she has rainbow hair. Look at her rainbow hair. Oh, I'm so happy right now. I love this hair. Oh, and a little assortment of stickers. These are so cute. It's all so cute. Oh. I'm sorry if I have like a little girly pitched voice, but I'm like so in love with all this. It's so pretty. This is like one of my favorite giveaways I've probably ever received. It's amazing. Let me lay all this. This is just, thank you so much, Katie. Thank you so much for having this incredible giveaway, and thank you for picking me. I am extremely appreciative of it. This is just perfection. Super perfection. These stickers are so adorable, and the die cuts are to die for. I will link her shop down below in her Instagram account. Definitely check her out. She has such adorable stuff, and it's just all custom too. Thank you so much, everybody. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it down in the comments section below. Please like and subscribe. I do videos once a week. Always remember to plan with love. Bye!